Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on creating triggers in Azure Data Factory. First, launch Azure Data Factory. If you didn't create Azure Data Factory, then see the previous video how to create it. After that, open storage account and make sure you have created input and output container. Now go back to Data Factory tab. In the Data Factory UI, click on Manage. In the left hand pane, then select Triggers. After that, click on Create Trigger. Over here, provide the trigger name like Daily Trigger. Then select Type as Tumbling window. After that, choose the start date. Now choose occurrence at what interval the pipeline should trigger. Over here I am choosing 5 minutes. Then you can mention the end date. Inside the advanced option we can modify delay, retry, etc. After that you can click on start trigger, but I am not selecting it. Then click OK to finalize it. Click OK to finish it. Now we need to configure which pipeline will trigger, which can be shown in related. But here it shows 0, that means no pipeline is allocated to this trigger. To add a pipeline in this trigger, click on Author in the left hand pane, then click on Pipelines and select the pipeline we have created in previous video. Then click on Copy Data Activity, then click on Add Trigger. Finally, then click on New/Edit. After that, choose the trigger we have created and modify the date based on your recommendation. Then click OK. Again click OK. Now go to the Author section and see the trigger is updated with pipeline. Finally, click on Publish All, then click on Publish. Now the trigger is deployed. To start it, click on Start and then click on Publish All, then Publish to finally start the trigger. Now to check when the trigger is run, click on Monitor section. Then click on Trigger Run and wait for some time to run the pipeline. Now you can see that the trigger is run. To check it, go to the storage account and check the file is copied from input to output folder or not. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.